Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smart Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Lesson 66. It's about understanding innovations in lasers related to sound and light. Lasers have become one of the most important inventions in science and technology. The word laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Originally developed in the 1960s, lasers are now used in communication, medicine, entertainment, industry, and even in research on sound and light interaction. Recent innovations have expanded the way lasers applied, especially in creating and manipulating sound and light for advanced technologies such as holography, optical communication, laser shows, acoustic laser shows, and acoustic levitation. How lasers work. So lasers produce coherent light. These are light waves that are in phase and have a single wavelength, monochromatic. The basic steps are: number one, energy pumping, which means that atoms in laser medium, either in solid, liquid, or gas, are excited to a higher energy level. Number two, stimulated emission. An incoming photon causes an excited atom to drop to a lower energy level, releasing another photon of the same wavelength and phase. And number three, optical amplification. This process repeats, creating a highly intense beam of light. Innovations in lasers related to sound. While lasers are primarily optical devices, they can be connected to sound in several ways. Letter A, laser microphones detects vibrations from surfaces caused by sound and waves, can pick up conversations by pointing the lasers at a window and detecting the tiny vibrations caused by voices inside. Laser ultrasonics use, uses laser pulses to generate ultrasonic waves, materials for non-destructive testing, helps detect cracks in metals or flaws in industrial products without cutting them open. Acousto-optic modulation uses sound waves to control the intensity, frequency, or direction of a laser beam. Important in laser scanning systems, telecommunications, and spectroscopy. Letter D, optical tweezers with sound. Uses a laser beam to trap tiny particles and combines it with sound waves for precise manipulation in biology and nanotechnology. Innovations in lasers. Um, Related to light, lasers themselves are light sources, but their innovations in producing and controlling light include letter A, um, laser light shows, common in entertainment concerts and culture events. Use multiple lasers of um, colors to create 3D animations in the air or on surfaces. Innovations in holography creates 3D images using laser interference patterns. Innovations include full color holograms and dynamic holographic displays. Letter C, optical fiber communication. Lasers transmit information in the form of light pulses through optical fibers. Enables high-speed internet and long-distance data transmission with low power loss. LIDAR, which means light detection and ranging, uses lasers to measure distances with high precision, used in self-driving cars, mapping, and environmental monitoring. Number 5, cutting-edge laser innovations. Number 1, ultra-fast lasers produce pulses lasting femtoseconds, 10 raised to negative 5 seconds, for precision cutting and medical surgery. Laser-based 3D printing. Use laser beams to melt or solidify material layer by layer. Number 3, laser cooling. Uses tuned lasers to slow atoms, quantum research. Number 4, laser acoustic levitation, combining laser heating and sound waves to make objects float in the air. Number 5, laser projection systems, high definition projection with bright, vivid colors for cinemas and virtual reality. Number 6, safety considerations. Lasers can be harmful to the eyes and skin. So, students should remember, never point lasers at people. Use protective goggles for high-powered lasers. Follow laboratory safety guidelines. Innovations in lasers related to sound and light have revolutionized many fields. They enable precise sound detection and sound-based control of light. Letter B, enhanced communication, entertainment, and medicine and manufacturing. Letter C, continue to evolve into smaller, more powerful, and more versatile devices. Think about how do lasers make our daily life more convenient. Think about what future inventions could combine lasers, sound, and light in ways we haven't imagined. Think about how could you apply laser technology in your own field of interest. And what is laser? Laser stands for light amplification by simulated emission of radiation. Unlike normal light, like from a bulb, laser light is monochromatic, which means one specific color or wavelength. Coherent, which means light waves are in phase with each other. Light waves, laser lights is highly directional, meaning it travels in a narrow beam. Laser light has high intensity. It can carry a lot of energy in a small area. The principle of laser operation. We have stimulated emission, population inversion, and then optical cavity. When you say simulated emission, when atoms or molecules um, are in an excited state, they are triggered to release photons of the same energy and pace. When you say population inversion, more actions are in excited states than in the ground state. And when you say optical cavity, uh, two mirrors bounce light back and forth, amplifying it until it exists as a strongly coherent beam. Types of lasers used in sound and light energy. We have gas lasers, solid-state lasers, semiconductor laser, and fiber lasers. Gas lasers, example is helium neon lasers for holography. Solid-state lasers, example, neodymium and YAG for medical and industrial use. Semiconductor laser diodes in DVD players, fiber optics, communications. When you say fiber laser, that is used for cutting, precise cutting, and in communications. Innovations in light-related laser applications, holography, and 3D projection. So lasers allow creation of high-quality holograms for entertainment, art, and education. These are used in concerts to create life-size 3D performer. Okay, so laser light shows. Synchronizing lasers with music creates immersive visual experiences in concerts, festivals, and events. Controlled by computers for precise patterns and animations. Letter C, optical communications. Fiber optics Fiber optic internet uses laser light pulses to transmit data at near light speed and allows high-speed streaming, video calls, and massive data transfer. Letter D, medical lasers, eye surgeries, LASIK, skin treatments, cancer therapy. Lasers provide precise targeting without damage to the surrounding tissues. Okay, so we will have the next part of this lesson 64.